All right, this video is for how do we take our images off of Drive and get them ready for the web page that we're going to do in the lesson, What Have I Learned in Art? So the first thing you need to do is go to your Drive, and then once you've went to your Drive, you want to hit the folder called Art, and in there should be everything you did in your 5th and 6th grade year that you saved on Anna. And one of the things you're going to need to do is we need to trim off these extra edges that we have on here, and any we had to make it the right size because otherwise it'll be huge on the website. So I'm going to click on that, and you're going to click at the top here, and it's going to ask you, do you want to send it to somewhere to work on? And what I wanted you to do is hit PicMonkey. And that's it's a really good site. It's going to ask you, can I do it? You're going to allow it to do it. It's going to come on here, and it does a couple things. This is a real simple photo editing program, and it's able to do the things that we need it to. So there's my image in here, and sometimes I exit out of these little extra things in here. We don't need the ads and those kind of stuff. Just pollute stuff. All right, so I go over here, and one of the first things I want to do, and it's really nice because this program puts it right on top here, I want to hit crop. And you can crop by size, or in this case, I'm just going to use the handles here to make it the right thing. So I'm going to take this face, and I'm going to click on it. And this student had a little extra on the edge that I don't really need. So I'm getting the main part of the image that I want to go on my website. That's about what I want it to look like. So you have to hit the blue thing over here. It says apply. And then once you've applied it, sorry about that, a little blurry. You can change it a little. I wouldn't change it a lot. I mean, you can really change the colors and things, and I wouldn't mess with that. Here's a place to rotate it if some of you need to rotate it around. If it was on its side when Anna took it and you need to put it on its side, there's a good place for that. And apply. Make sure you hit apply each time you can do it. And then the next thing that's really important is resizing it, and that's the very last one down here at the bottom. Now this is 1,000 by 13,000 or 1,300, and that's a lot. It's very important that you keep it proportional, otherwise it's going to shrink, fat or thin on here. The number that is magic for the website is 300. It's going to look really small now, but that's okay. So I'm going to apply that right there. And then the last thing I need to do is to save it. So I've got it the right size. I've got it cropped. It looks great. So I'm going to go up here to save. And would you like to replace the image or save as a copy? So, and frankly, either will work for our purposes. I'm just going to save it as a copy, and that way I still have my old one in case I want to resize it or do something else to it. And that's really it. I do go ahead and do both of those pictures that way. I just sort of X out and go to the next picture. Let's say I want to do this one. I can do the same thing again. I'll just do it real quick so you can see it here. I'm going to hit the monkey picture, and this time it doesn't ask. It already knows that I allow it. It's going to go up on here. First thing I'm going to do is crop. Get it the right size, exactly where I want it. I got this nice still life that someone drew here. There we go. I'm going to apply that. And I don't need to rotate this one, but I'm going to go down to, not sharpen. Apply. There we go. Okay. I'm going to scroll down to resize. There we go. Resize. Magic number. Make sure it's proportional. That's already clicked for us, which is wonderful. 300. And then apply. Save. Make a copy. And then when I go to my drive now, there should be two of them. This is the cropped one, and I don't see the other cropped one, but it's around there somewhere. Okay. Maybe I didn't save that all the way. Did I say that? Let me try this one more time. Save a copy. There we go. And master saved. Okay. That's all it takes. Thanks a lot. Oh, there it is. You see it on the end. Okay. Thank you.